Hey there, DIY enthusiasts! Welcome back to Electron XYZ. Today, we're diving into the world of electronics. Have you ever wondered how to test the value of a capacitor using a multimeter? Well, you're in the right place. Grab your multimeter, and let's get started. For this test, you'll need a digital multimeter with a capacitance measuring function, the capacitor you want to test, and, if you have them, some alligator clips for easier handling. This is usually marked with a symbol like this. Set your multimeter to the capacitance measuring mode. Now, let's test the capacitor. Connect the multimeter probes to the capacitor terminals. It doesn't matter which way around for non-polarized capacitors, but for polarized ones, make sure to connect the positive probe to the positive terminal, and the negative probe to the negative terminal. Hold the probes steady and read the value displayed on the multimeter. So, what do these readings mean? If the value is close to the rated capacitance, your capacitor is functioning correctly. If it's significantly lower or shows zero, the capacitor might be faulty and needs replacing. Inspect the capacitor for any signs of damage, like bulging or leaking. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more tips and tricks, and hit the bell icon to stay updated with our latest videos. Thanks for watching, and happy building!